Welcome to your channel Data Vinex. Today we will see how to start an AI video editing agency for free. Today's video will give you the in-depth tutorial to start an AI video editing agency for free Clipchamp tutorial. You can easily make 500 rupee to 1000 rupees a day just by adding text to other people's videos. And the best part? AI is going to do 90% of the work for you. So welcome back to Data Vinex. In our master blueprint video, we talked about 5 free AI tools to build a digital income. Today, we are deep diving into tool number 3, Microsoft Clipchamp. Right now, every business owner, fitness coach, and influencer is trying to grow on YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. But they hate editing, and they desperately need dynamic captions to keep viewers watching. You are going to become their go-to video editor, using completely free AI to generate those captions in seconds. Let's get into the step-by-step workflow. Step 1. Finding your clients. You don't need a fancy website. Open Instagram or YouTube and search for creators in specific niches like local real estate agents, finance coaches, or podcast hosts. Look for people who are posting videos of themselves talking but aren't using on-screen captions. Send them a simple direct message. Hey, I love your content. I noticed you aren't using captions on your shorts, which can drop viewer retention by 50%. I took one of your recent videos and added professional AI captions for free. Check it out. You send them a free sample. When they see the quality, you pitch them 5 edited short videos a week for 2,500 rupees. You just need one client to hit your 500 rupees per day goal. Step 2. The Clipchamp AI workflow. How do you make that free sample? Open your browser and go to clipchamp.com. It is completely free. Click Create a new video and drag in the raw video file. Now, here is where the magic happens. On the right-hand menu, click the Captions tab and hit Turn on Auto-Captions. Select the language, and in less than 10 seconds, Clipchamp's AI will perfectly transcribe the entire video and sync the text to the audio. No manual typing required. Step 3. Styling for retention. Plain text is boring. To justify your pricing, you need to make it look premium. Click on the generated text on your screen. Change the font to something bold and modern, like Montserrat or Bebas New. Change the primary text color to white, but add a heavy black outline or a glowing background so it pops off the screen. Make sure the captions are placed in the middle of the screen, not too low, or the platform's buttons will cover them. Step 4. Export and scale. Click Export and select 1080p high definition. Clipchamp gives you this without a watermark, totally free. You download the video, send it to the client, and collect your payment via UPI or bank transfer. Once you have the workflow down, editing a 1-minute short takes less than 5 minutes. You can easily manage 5 clients a day, scaling your income far beyond 500 rupees. This is the easiest service-based business you can start today with zero capital. If you want to see the other free AI tools that can build your online wealth, click the playlist on the screen right now. Drop a comment below with the word agency. If you are going to try this Clipchamp method, hit that subscribe button. And I will see you in the next Data Vinex breakdown.